just made it to Delhi, India. My very first trip here, and I cannot wait to show you guys around this beautiful city. I've got 24 hours, and we're gonna see as much of Delhi as possible. Let's take a look at this room. Oh my gosh, look at that tub. I am up early this morning and I am so excited. I'm heading to breakfast about 7:30 in the morning here in New Delhi, and I'm on my way to a cooking class. It's something I've always wanted to do, learn more about Indian cooking. It is a plant-based class, of course, at Khud Rang, and I'm so excited to learn as much as I possibly can about Indian cooking. But first, I'm starving, so we're heading to breakfast. So let's go. There's so much food. Everything looks so delicious. Let's take a tour around and see what there is available. I may have gotten a little carried away. I have a lot of food here. I want to try all of the flavors of India. Curry is one of my absolute favorite things to eat and cook. So I'm so eager to try everything. The spices, the herbs, everything just goes together so beautifully. I feel that Indian cooking is an art form. This looks delicious. I can't wait to try this. That's amazing. Well, after visiting the spice market, the sights and sounds, the smells are just incredible. Getting to see where all of the spices come from, and then having the opportunity to taste them. What an amazing journey. This is round number 1. I'm gonna finish this and head back for more. It's a little light, but it's amazing dosa. Look how gorgeous this is. Is that not beautiful? A fermented dough that's made with rice. And it's so light and airy and crispy. Delicious. It literally melts in your mouth. Thank you so much. I admit it. But it was incredible. It was so delicious. My heart is full here. My stomach as well. I'm gonna get ready for class. So I'm in the car with Manoj and we are going to the spice market. So we're here in Old City, Delhi at the spice market. It's pretty incredible. It's an overwhelming experience. There's so much to see here. I'm wearing a mask.
This making here is tea. पैसा दे दे भाई मोटा सा.
And I'm just waiting for chef to arrive. Hey, apron on. I'm ready. Let's do this. Black cardamom.
Yes.
Green cardamom. Peppercorn, star anise, chili, mace, cinnamon.
Samosa. It's potatoes. The most common one is potatoes. You can do cauliflower. You can do only green peas. You can do mix of green peas and potatoes together. So first we're gonna take some oil. Then we're gonna use our spices.
Okay, so my samosas are in, and it took a few tries. I think I got the hang of it. We'll see how they taste. My first samosas ever. A little thick on the dough, but the flavor is delicious. I'd call this a success.
Ready? Next one.
Yay! It's good. This was almost perfect. Yes. So classic technology. Yes. Looks good.
And now we're gonna cover it up. So this is the ideal thickness that I would need for a bhatura. Now the only thing that you need to check it if it is even.
I pinched it a little.
Just put it down. ये वाला मत डालना. You roll it right, it's popped up right.
Perfect.
Whenever you're
More brown than yours, but not bad. Well, that is a wrap here in Delhi, India. I had such a fantastic time. I love Delhi and I can't wait to return. Hope you enjoyed this episode, this short little video on Delhi. And of course, there's gonna be some recipes coming from here. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, please, so we can continue bringing you more content like this.